Okay, this is part 2 of setting up the ARM tools in UBUNTU. So we did all that so we can get rid of this file, just hit delete and delete. So used to using Windows, keep doing the same commands in Windows. Okay, I guess we could just leave that one. Yeah, it's honestly not really needed, so let's get rid of that one. Empty our trash. Okay, so we did that. Now we got to go get the correct GCC version, because right now it's got the old one in there. So we're going to go here, go to this exact address up here. Which pad? And that'll get you the right one. We want the Linux tar, this one. So we're just going to download that one, but you need to make sure you're using, I'm going to copy this link, this is on my Windows, your UBUNTU browser, because we need it in UBUNTU, not Windows. So just go ahead and get it and to that address and save it to your downloads folder. Okay, so we go to downloads and we're going to extract this. Let's just move it to our home folder. It's a little bit easier to work with. Right click on it and choose extract here. While that's extracting, we're going to right click and create a new folder. We're going to call it arm-toolchain. Wait for it to extract. Okay, it's done extracting, so we can go here. And we're going to take this, right click on this, cut it. We're going to bring it toolchain folder. We're going to paste it in here. Okay, so now that's all pasted just like that. We don't need this anymore, so delete that. Don't need this. So we have the new toolchain version there. Okay, so let's go to our Magic Lantern folder. Just going to empty this. And now we got to set up a user file, make user file. So we're going to right click, create new document, empty document, name it exactly like this, make file dot user, capitals everything just to make sure. And then we're going to open it. Just double click on it. And what we need is, let's get rid of this one. We need this stuff. So take note of this and type all this out just like that. Okay, and add your camera to the list if it's not in this specific list. This is my custom list, so alright, and the only reason why this one is set to yes is because this is what I'm setting this up for, to use QEMU and QEMU, whatever you want to call it, QEMU, and for the 1200D. But if you're just doing regular Magic Lantern stuff, this has to be an N. You don't want it a Y if you're doing regular Magic Lantern builds. Only for if you're actually trying to use QEMU. Alright, and we're going to save it. And that's it. So get all that typed in. This is our new version. Our original version was 4.62. This is going to work with the new version 4.83 that we just unzipped. Okay, so that's that. Once you have that file saved, then we can right click inside the Magic Lantern folder, open terminal. Let's give it a test run, see if I remembered everything. Actually, I'll just type it in. We're going to make clean, see what happens. And just go ahead and let it do its thing. Alright, so to make this all build quicker too, we're going to go to our modules folder and then go to look for default, make modules default. And if you're just regular compiling, just get rid of the stuff that you don't want. For this, I'm just going to go, since we're doing QEMU, and it's all it's really for, I'm just going to get rid of all the modules so they don't build every time I want to build something, and it takes a lot longer. So you can get rid of whatever ones you want to, and click save, and that's it. That'll make sure only the ones you want build, but we don't want any because we're just working with QEMU for now, just to test it. And that should set that up. Now, okay, so now we have to go get the correct version, which I have a build on my Bitbucket thing that actually compiles. I don't know how far it works. I mean, it does load in QEMU, but you know, I don't have the camera, so I can't really go any further. But I found all the stubs and last year and got everything kind of set up. So let's just go ahead and get that set. So we want 1200D. And we want to be in our home folder. Open in terminal. Okay, so this is what you want to type in then. I just went through and did it. HD clone with that address from my website. Type that in, press enter, you'll get all this stuff, which it'll do its download thing, and then finish. Then we can close this. And then what we want to do is take our original magic lantern, and we're just going to make this one back up. Call it back. And then take our new 1200D one, rename it, and make it magic dash lantern. So that's our new magic lantern folder. Now what we need is our file that we created, our user file. We need to copy that from there and put that in the magic lantern folder. So paste. Alright, now so while we're in our new magic lantern folder, we're just going to open a new terminal and type in HG update. Or I think tip maybe. Yeah. Alright, and that'll get everything set up for us there. And then let's go ahead and do a make clean here too. Make clean. And then just wait. And actually, we should have done for this one, because this is actually going to be the QEMU that we're going to be working with, because the original Magic Lantern doesn't have 1200D in it in the list yet. So do your make files, but this is where I should have told you to do it in this one. Save, and then close that. We're done with that, and then that's it. Okay, so it's all built, ready to go. So okay, and I guess the next part will be how to actually get QEMU installed.